Hello everyone, this is Rahul. So in this video we will talk about how to edit message in Instagram in 2026. So for many users, when they are pressing on a message, they are not getting option to edit. So we all know that we can edit a sent message on Instagram. So how to get that option, I will show you in my mobile screen if that edit option is missing for you. Open your Instagram account and go to message. So now select the message you want to edit it. So press and hold on a message here. So normally we used to get a edit option here, but now it is not there because lots of option has been added here. You need to click on more and here you can see edit option. So here for example I am removing this word and I will press on send icon. So you can see the message is edited and so it's working. So I hope you will find this video useful. Thank you.